Welcome to this beautifully designed modern contemporary home. Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome po sa NCR Rizal Properties. Alright, we're here inside Philinvest East, Marcos Highway. Okay, so yung mga familiar na, malapit tayo sa SM Masinag. And Marcos Highway is just minutes away po, or yung Philinvest East home is minutes away lang going to Katipunan. Alright, so tara, start natin yung tour. So meron tayo ditong 2 parking space. Then dito is merong space. So kung may mga motor kayo, big bike, e-bike, pwede rin po dito. Alright, so malaki tong space na to. Kung papansin nyo, covered na rin yung ating parking space. On the left side, meron tayong garden and yung ating lanay area, which is connected dito sa ating living area. And then sa dulo niyan is nandun yung ating maid's quarter with a toilet and bath. So welcome to your new home. So pagpasok natin, as we enter the property, this will be your living space. So dyan po yung ating magiging TV wall. Then this will be your dining area. So sa tapat lang po nito. Then dito sa ating ground floor, meron po tayo ditong room. Alright, so itong room na to is designed, pwede nyo gawing music room, entertainment room, or an adult room. Actually, pwede nyo rin gawin itong guest room or office room. So, depende po sa needs nyo. Alright, so balik tayo dito. So, dito sa ating dining area, meron tayo dito pwedeng gawing bar. Okay? Bar counter, no? And then, nandito yung ating full toilet and bath. This will be your common toilet and bath. Sa ilalim ng hagdan, this will be your storage room. Hindi ko nabubuksan dahil may mga kalat po eh. Right? So pakita ko ulit yung ating ground floor. Then, this is your kitchen area. So, dito sa kitchen natin, may nakikita akong cooktop and arranged food po. Right? Yung pintuan na yan, marami lang pong kalat, pero service area po yan. Alright? Service area. Okay, so proceed tayo. Akyat tayo ng second floor. So dito sa second floor, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms, including the master's bedroom. And dalawa po dito may sariling toilet and bath. And then yung 3 bedrooms, meron pong common toilet and bath. Okay, pasok tayo. First bedroom, dito sa ating second floor. meron siya provision for a window type aircon. Meron built-in cabinet. And of course, ito yung isang bedroom na may sariling toilet and bath. Then second bedroom dito sa ating second floor. So ito yung size. Then meron, of course, meron tayong built-in cabinet. Okay, so punta tayo dito sa ating third bedroom. Oh, wait. Unahin natin itong common toilet and bath. So, yung mag-occupy po ng 3 bedrooms, dito po tayo. So, ito yung inyong common toilet and bath. Okay. So, third bedroom, dito po sa ating second floor. So ito yung size, may provision din for a window type aircon. May built-in cabinet. Fourth bedroom. Again, dito pa rin tayo sa ating second floor. This is the fourth bedroom po. So, almost same size lang ito nung ating third bedroom. Right? Then, may vanity table, provision for a window type aircon, and then may built-in cabinet. Okay, and last but not the least is yung ating master's bedroom. Master's bedroom po natin, meron po siyang sariling toilet and bath. So yung space ng ating master's bedroom, and then meron tayong built-in cabinet. And itong mga sliding door, yung access, going po dyan sa ating balcony. Napapansin ko, no, dito sa side or dito sa bedroom, dito sa ating master's bedroom, may coating spot po, nakitang-kita yung mga buildings sa Metro Manila. Okay? And then yung ating L-shape na balcony. Again, yung ating master's bedroom. Okay, so review tayo. Again, we're here inside Philinvest East. This is along Marcos Highway, very near SM Masinag. And kung Katipunan naman po, or Ateneo, yung mga anak nyo nag-aaral, Miriam, UP, alright? Sobrang bilis lang makarating doon sa area ng Katipunan. So LRT, pwede. Right? So, alam niyo naman yung LRT from SM or from Masinag Station, and the last station is yung Recto Station po. Okay? So, price natin dito, ko-confirm ko, pero according sa seller, yung text sa akin is 21.8 million. Right? 21.8 million, pero mas maganda po, no, kung mag-message po kayo. Actually, kilala ko yung seller, negotiable naman po yan. Basta po okay kayo. Nag-viewing tayo, nagustuhan nyo, negotiate po natin kay seller. Alright? Yung lot area, floor area, the lot area is 152 square meter, and then yung floor area natin is around 280 square meter, if I'm not mistaken, no? Isasama ko po lahat ng details doon sa ating description box. Paki-check nyo na lang po. Alright? So that's it. Again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po, and God bless everyone. Bye-bye.